Hi friends, and welcome back to Pattu Presents.
And awesome Arishi. And today we have come for our first staycation in 8 months since the quarantine has started. Because we can't stay locked in our homes forever.
So this is the time you really cannot afford to travel overseas because international travel restrictions are strong there. Trains are not running, buses are not running. So what are the options you have? Either you go for a local staycation, or the second option is you go to some of these places which are just outside your city, maybe within a 2 or 3 hour drive range.
As because of the coronavirus, they are not making any business as no one is ready to travel. So it's very important that we support them, otherwise their business may come to an end.
So we'll take you all to a ride on a staycation. We'll just check in. There are certain things which I've already told the hotel beforehand. For example, they took our Aadhaar card scan copy, they took our credit card scan copy, and we'll see, if it is really going to be a contactless check-in as they have promised. The other thing to note now is that this is really the time, to cash in on some of these branded hotels because one, they're going to be extremely safe and secure. Secondly, if you see in the background behind, it's almost deserted. There's nobody here. It's like a fortress out there. And plus, the big thing is that they themselves need some support, so they are giving out lots of discounts so that customers like you and me travel and visit them. So I'll go in now and we'll see how it works. First is the security check. What's my temperature?
36.1 Celsius.
36. Is it fine?
Yes,
It's fine.
Safe to enter.
I'm safe to enter. Thank you. I have to sanitize my shoes out there and then.
Then you can just try it out.
Okay, so I sanitize my shoes. Arshi, you have to focus the camera where I'm in. Sanitize my shoes, then I have to dry out there. Then after that,
Then you can use sanitizer for your hands.
sanitizer for my hands. Okay, thank you.
Yes. Food.
Press this. Sanitize. Okay, I feel neater. Let everybody else come in. Okay, so this is the health declaration form. So this is a health declaration form we need to fill for all four of us. Okay.
As you can see, they have put signs everywhere so that the customers maintain at least 1 meter social distance, and there are at least 3 staff is all we can see, and there is no bellboy, so we have to take our own luggage up to the room. And thanks to the staff, we have been upgraded to an apartment, so let's go. To turn on lights. Come in. Please enter. So this is our 1-bedroom apartment, and I'm so excited because we finally checked into a hotel after so long. So this is the living room, and it has such a nice sofa. They'll also be providing us an extra mattress so that everybody can sleep. There's a desk there, and over here is a room with such a big mattress. It's been so long.
What is this?
Alcohol vibes.
So yeah, he found alcohol vibes. Yeah, and it's been such a long time since I've slept on such a big bed. And there's the bathroom is so big. Okay, so we have such a very nice big bathroom, fancy. Yeah, and my brother's already started going and fidgeting with everything. Most likely he will lock us out and we'll be quarantined here. There's another bathroom which is very nice. Oh, it's connected. It's a connected bathroom.
And 2 shampoos.
Yeah, it 2 shampoos, and it's a connected bathroom, and it looks very fancy. And yeah, I'm very excited to stay here.
Papa. Look, there is a drawer and a safety lock over here in the bathroom. I can't believe it. So my name is Ishav, and all restaurants are closed. They sent the menu in WhatsApp, so we have to send back. So we ordered Thai food and Indian food, and this is green colored chicken and rice, and this is butter chicken and dal and rice, and this is my sweet, my favorite. Bye.
So in the balance of things, is a staycation inside a city hotel recommended? I would say no, because with all facilities closed, the swimming pool closed, the gymnasium closed, and there's no working air condition in most places. In fact, if you sit in the lobby, it's a huge grand lobby, but there's no air condition there, so it gets very claustrophobic and you start sweating and you have to wear a mask all the time. It is not that pleasant. The hotel, as we see, we had around in the night I saw that it around had 10-20% occupancy. it's probably better that instead of inside a city, you should take a hotel somewhere far away, which is in the countryside. That should be far better because you'll have nature to see too. So we had a good sleep in, there was a big king size mattress which they arranged for us. So a couple of us slept here, a couple of us slept inside. It was very comfortable, it was very cozy. The dinner, as you saw yesterday, was very basic, and it was almost like a set meal which you get in a aeroplane. It was not that enjoyable as much as we would have expected in a normal time when you have a buffet dinner to enjoy. Today morning is a lot more comprehensive. In fact, there were more options today, and it seems a lot more filling. So if you see in the breakfast, you have puri bhaji, which we ordered. We have aloo paratha. So two sets we ordered. There were 4 boxes of eggs which they have given us, including masala omelette and sunny side up. They have given us coffee. I think coffee is for my son. They have given us watermelon juices, and they have given us a couple of flat platters of fruit. So yeah, it's quite comprehensive.
Wait. This is aloo paratha. I had asked for idli sambar. Where is my idli sambar? When I'm telling you idli sambar, this guy doesn't understand. Full day he's saying pattu present. Complete waste fellow.
Thank you so much for watching Pattu Presents, and take care, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, in that last clip, I was laughing because Mama went that side.
Oh, she's like that. Both of them are like that. She always says issue is like that. Actually, both of them are like that. Ready?
1 second.